This is a stupid topic, but to be honest, it will be very useful for your trip to China. Hello everyone, this is HTTC, How to Do Something in China. I am Day. Today we finally come to a topic many people interested in, how to use the toilet in China.
The squat toilets in China have sparked discussions on major internet platforms worldwide, and many Westerners don't understand why China has so many squat toilets instead of toilet bowls. In fact, China's squat toilets originated from the country's ancient agricultural society. The cost of building squat toilets were much cheaper, and it was convenient to collect human waste as fertilizer. This practice has continued to the present day.
Of course, I understand many of you may not be used to squatting. So today I've done a small survey for you. If someone travels China, what is the ratio of toilet bowls to squat toilets in public restroom?
We randomly selected 10 different types of public restrooms. The final result we got is, the ratio is 3:2. 55 squat toilets, 41 toilet bowls. Most hotels have toilet bowls, and most shopping malls have toilet bowls. But public restrooms on roadside are mostly squat toilets. By the way, they are all free.
However, I believe there is no right or wrong way to use the toilet. You can squat, sit, stand, or even invert if you like. It's just a different cultural habit.
China also has many fancy toilets. Some toilets at tourist attractions are star-rated. For instance, this is the restroom at Ningbo Moon Lake Park. To blend in with park scenery, the restroom has been designed in special garden style. If I hadn't checked the guidebook online beforehand, I wouldn't believe that it was a restroom. What's more, public restrooms in China generally do not provide free toilet paper to save costs. If you go out, remember to carry tissue with you to avoid awkward moments. You know what I mean.
A little tip, 请问厕所怎么走 means where is the toilet and how can I get there? Congratulations, now you know how to use the toilet in China. Sounds like a children's show. Making content is not easy. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.